Hi, I am Nordin Dode Iken. Dode. Today I present a new recipe, the fish and chips, the recipe Pacific Coast. It's a new recipe by Element. Amazing tasty. Masca trick. Now we start the fish and chips, the recipe Pacific Coast. What we need? We need fish. We use cod fish, 200 grams. We could use also haddock or egg or cold fish. It's a sea fish, white sea fish. We will use also potatoes for the chips, 4 or 5 potatoes. We will also need to have peanut oil for the chips, peanut oil. I recommend the peanut oil for this recipe, it's very good. We will use flour, wholemeal flour, very good flour for this recipe. We will use soda like Schweppes agrumes, very good too, Schweppes agrumes. And we will use eggs, 2 eggs. And at the end of the recipe, we will have an element we can use for a new recipe to like a dessert to join with fish and chips, the recipe Pacific Coast. For that we will use apple, 2 or 3 apples. We will slice this to do this recipe with sugar, crystal sugar, and and we need to also salt for the recipe. And we will use sauce like mayonnaise to eat this recipe. Mayonnaise, very good. And we will use ketchup too to add on this recipe. Ketchup and lemon juice. Important to have lemon juice too. Lemon juice. To make this recipe, we need a knife. We need a chopstick. We need a slicer, basic slicer, to shape the chips. And we need a glass, and a bowl. And we will use also a skimmer and a stove. That's what we need to do the fish and chips, the recipe Pacific Coast by Element. Amazing, tasty, starting now. Now we shape the potatoes for the chips, and we have 2 shapes. One is stick or fries, the other is chips or for that we slice the potatoes in the length 2 times to have 4 quarters. And after that we will shape that's a quarter. We will shape the chips by slicing a slice of 1 centimeter thick here, 1 centimeter thick from the border. Like this, 1 centimeter. We have this slice, 1 centimeter here, and we cut again 1 centimeter thick to have the fries, the chips, the stick chips, 1 centimeter each side, like this. And we do that for each quarter. The more chips of 1 centimeter we can do. And we keep also the other part, and we will use for the chips too. And we do that for 3 or 2 potatoes, and we keep 2 potatoes for the chip thin. Now we start the chips as a thin chips, and for that we use a slicer, very simple slicer, basic slicer, and potatoes. We slice the potatoes in the middle, in 2 parts equal, like this. We use 2 potatoes for that. Une seconde. And I slice with the slicer, the mandoline or slicer, my chips. To have chips very easy to do. And we will do that with 2 potatoes, and after that we will put these chips, the stick chips and the chips for the fish and chips, the recipe Pacificos, in the stove with peanut oil.